ladder walk. I have to close my hand. Look at this. I'm gonna make a shake. Shake your hand and blow my hand. Still one. How about your hand? Oh, still one. Open your two hands. Go like this. Open your hand. Open. Look at my hand. First ball to be placed it here. Look at that. The second ball to be placed it in your hand. And close your hand. Blow my hand. And then it was here. How many balls in your hand? Blow your hand. Show it to them that you have. Open it. Open your hand. Oh, you have. 1 and 2. Clap your hands for the magician. He does some magic. Good boy. Bro, look at this. 1 and 2. And I have to put it together, giving it back to you. Over it with your other hand. Make a shake. And say happy, happy birthday. Come on.
Happy birthday!
Open your hands and you do some magic. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Open it for our magician. Alright. Thanks so much for your requesting. And can you give one prize for this boy? You can get one. Yeah, just get one. Oh, thanks so much for you, bro. Bagsak. Guys, I have to do another magic and I have to dedicate this one para sa inyong lahat. Kasi, for this time, before I go inside in this party place, nakausap ko po yung mami nung may birthday and also si daddy. Nasaan po sila? Sir? Mami? Okay, mami, kanina po, di ba nagkwentuhan tayo sa labas at sabi ko, mamimigay ako ng 1,000. Sabi niyo, willing kayo, di ba? Willing? Oh, talakpakan natin yung mami and daddy! Alright! Magkano yung bibigay nila prize? 1? Yung malakas! Thanks so much, mom and dad, for that. Alright!